I, Fahim Mashroom, a student of class 4 at Tamim National School, express my thanks and love to my father Mutiur Rahman and my mother Fatima Khatun. Seek their blessing, I am here to deliver about how do I spend my day. Astayqizu mubakkiran fi sabahi, unazzifu asnani, wa aghsilu wajhi, wa atawazzau, wa usalli salat al-fajr fil masjid, summa atlu shay'an min al-Qur'an al-Karim, summa atanawalu al-futur, summa azhabu ila al-madrasati Tamim National School as-saata as-sabiha, summa arji'u ila baiti. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.